So the story I tell absolutely starts with the origin of life, which, maybe it may come as a surprise, I think, to some readers. But the reason is that if we want to understand what cognition is for and how being cognitive beings allows us to control our behavior, then we really want to understand, well, what is behavior? What does that mean? Not just how does a human do anything, but how does any animal do anything? How does that ability to act come about? Because for me, it's the main difference between living things and non-living things. Mm. And we hear, if you open a biology textbook, it won't say it like that. It'll say that, the characteristics of life are, replication and metabolism and respiration. And if it'll sort of tick off these things of activities that are happening inside organisms. But the bigger picture is that organisms are active in the world, right? I mean, they're acting in the world as causal agents, and that's something new, right? That was something that just didn't exist in the universe before life came along. And so in order to ground the concepts that we're going to need later on to think about human cognition and so on, I wanted to start with just the simplest things we could, which is really, what does it mean to be alive? How could that possibly have arisen? How could life have arisen from non-living things?